All right, here we are at the truck. There's actually grease fittings on the fifth wheel. So if you want to come on over, show you those. Right there on each side of your main pin. Now it's on both sides. So that's pretty easy. That greases the pivot. That way, that pin in there don't get seized up. Basically what you're focusing on is the whole top flat surface here. It's where the trailer rides, where it pivots. You just want to lube it up good. Make sure you grease is where the trailer locks into the fifth wheel. That way the locking mechanism stays nice and lubed up. You don't have any problems there. So we'll take our stick here. Let's get a nice, generous glob of grease on there. And you just evenly distribute it throughout the whole top of that plate there. You can get a little bit in the hole.